So as I came around, I got water coming out of the city water connection. Not too very good. So let me go shut it off real quick and I'll be right back and show you what I did when I winterized. So last year when I winterized, the rubber gasket for the hose must have popped out on me. And when I put it in, I happened to put it in backwards. And just show you, right here is the one-way flow valve for the city water. So after I popped that out, because I was thinking that I lost the seal there, went back, turned it on, and I'll show you. All right, so here we are back in the trailer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my water pump back on. We hear it pumping up, and she has stopped. Let's run outside and take a look at the connection, make sure that she's sealed. All right, we're back over here. As you can see, she is sealed up, nice and tight, not leaking at all this time. So just a tip, if you do have to replace this rubber gasket with the filter screen on it, make sure that you put it in the correct way. At least on mine, it's got to be with the screen point outwards. There we are, just a quick tip, something I thought I was going to have a real big problem on, having to replace that before we took off for our trip. So, catch you on the next video. You guys have a wonderful day. Have a great season. Camping season, that is.